I am going to make an earthquake.
Jarrett, how was school today?
It was good.
Let's watch the news. Hello. Welcome to the news. Today we will be talking about making an earthquake at school. Let's see what happens. We wonder what happened. It was Jarrett. He was making an earthquake. And destroyed the entire school.
That's it. You are grounded.
Here are the other two people to announce that what happened.
Jarrett, how did you make an earthquake and destroy the school? That's it. You are grounded.
I agree with Amanda. You must be grounded by your parents.
Here are the last two people what happened.
Jarrett, how dare you make an earthquake at school? That's it. You are grounded.
You are in trouble for making an earthquake at school.
That's all for now. We will return after these messages.
Jarrett, I can't believe you make an earthquake at school. That's it. You are grounded for 25 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room now.